In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an Amazon seller account that works with Wise. The first thing you want to do is create your Wise account before starting Amazon registration. Open Wise, sign up, and complete your identity or business verification. If you're selling as a business, it's a good idea to use Wise Business. After that, open the currency balance you want to receive payments in, such as US dollars, and then select Get Account Details. Save those bank details carefully because you'll use them later for your Amazon payouts. Wise indicates that these account details can be used for local Amazon Marketplace payouts, so matching the correct currency to the marketplace is important. Next, go to Amazon's Seller Central registration page and begin the seller sign-up process. Create your Amazon seller login, choose the selling plan that fits your needs, and then select your real business location and business type. Amazon does allow individuals to register as individuals, so you do not necessarily need an incorporated company if that does not reflect your situation. As you continue, enter your seller information exactly as it appears on your official documents. This includes your full legal name, citizenship, country of birth, date of birth, residential address, phone number, and business ownership or legal representative details if applicable. Accuracy matters here because your information needs to match the documents Amazon will review during verification. After that, add your billing information. Amazon will ask for a payment method, including an internationally chargeable credit card. This is separate from your payout account. Your card is used by Amazon to charge fees, while your Wise bank details are used by Amazon to send your sales proceeds. When Amazon asks where to deposit your earnings, add your Wise account details for payouts. Make sure you use the account details that match the marketplace where you're selling. For example, use USD details for Amazon US, GBP details for Amazon UK, and EUR or IBAN details for Amazon EU. This part is important because Amazon sends local marketplace payouts, so the currency and account type need to match. Amazon may then ask you to verify the Wise bank account. If that happens, download your proof of account ownership document or a bank statement from Wise, upload it to Amazon, and make sure everything is clear and matches your Seller Central information. Verification can take up to 4 working days. You'll also need to complete Amazon's identity verification. Prepare your government-issued ID, proof of address, phone number, tax information, and business registration documents if those apply to you. Amazon may also request a selfie with your ID or a video verification call. If you're selling on Amazon US and you're not a US resident, complete the tax interview and provide the required non-US tax information.